Welcome to Oren Games. Today we have Angry Birds Plushes. Whoa, first we have Giant Bomber. You press his forehead. I can find it. So here's Bomber. So here's his little
fuse.
And here's his beak.
He got tail feathers.
And in the game, you can swing somebody, and if you press the swing, kaboom! But you're riding the Bomber. He just runs into the tower and he just runs and kills it. That's all for this guy. Next we have a solar Bomber. So he is from the movie. And here's his little fuse. Here's his beak. Here's his tail. And here's his feet. And here's his hands. That's all for this guy. Next we have the tiny Bomber. I got him on my birthday. And this is what happens.
Didn't mean to throw the barbie. Sorry about that. I don't know what happened. I was doing the poses. I was feeling all zen. Matilda was digging it. And my name were Bobby. Why'd you ask about my hobbies? Or if my name were Judas, would you ask me what my mood is? This guy is good. Didn't mean to throw the barbie. Sorry about that.
That's all for this guy. Next we have Redwood from the movie. Here's his tail feather. Here's his hair. Okay, and here are his eyes.
Does he do anything?
Nope. I forgot. Wait, one does do something. But we haven't got him yet. It's a giant one. It's a giant hard one. That's all for this guy. Next we have Redbird in the swing sword. I'll show you what he is. And me and his bird. Oh, a different bird, a bigger bird. Bigger than that. Yes. And you can take one of your birds. Put it in here. Wait, and fire! And that's all for this guy. And he's in a swing shot. He doesn't have to fly out of the swing shot. Next we have Such from the movie. Here's a front. He looks like a banana, doesn't he? And here's his tail feather, here's his hair, here's his long beak, here's his feet, here's his hands, and that's all for this guy. Next we have Pink Bird. On the game you can once press the square and she says whoa.
What's her name? Matilda.
No! She's the white bird.
Oh, I'm sorry.
So, here's the front, and here's what you do on the game. You can once press the screen and it says, whoa, whoa. And she gets, turns, moves everything, and if the pig's in the bubble, it will just die. Next we have Rudder. I can show you what you can do with him. This is all you can do with Rudder. Well, he actually supposed to fall down and it'll just die. And that's all for him. And next we have the Petey Redbird and Beanie Bluebird. So if he wants Redbird on the game, he'll go faster than he normally goes. It'll break in the tower. And give me, okay, let's have this set now. Okay, and if you press circle on the screen, it'll go. And if you press blue, it'll go woo, woo. That's all for today. Goodbye. See you next. I hope you like this video and subscribe.